Hello, everybody. Today I am going to talk about ancient China, that is Unit 1 of East Asian Art and Civilization. So I want to first show you the blackboard of the course. So this is the blackboard that all of you have access to, and this class is HA221 OL1, but if you are taking OL3 this semester, it's the same. So course information is most important. I hope you downloaded the course schedule, and then this one shows how you are going to be graded. And then academic integrity, you must read. I can check whether you read this or not. It shows on your grade book. So certify the statement. And then, so basically academic integrity is about you are not going to copy other sources without proper citations. And when you organize your ideas, it should be in your own words. I can also check copy and paste. It shows automatically in the Blackboard when you submit something, copy and paste from other websites. Anyhow, live lectures is where you can see my lecture, and I mentioned earlier to you that I am recording these videos always on Tuesday, 9:10 to around 10:30ish. So if you want to join me live, you can always come in. Of course, it's not the unit that you are working on. It maybe go ahead of the schedule, but it's a great idea to see me live and ask me a question. I enjoy seeing you in this live lecture. So if you click live lectures, you are going to see this recording sessions. So this is the current one that I am recording. And then every Tuesday, 9:30 to until like 10:30ish, you are going to see me. There are only 7 units, so I will finish by middle of October, I think. And you can sign up an appointment with me. Textbooks, I told you that you download all the textbooks. Once you click it in, you have Art of China, Art Japanese, Art of Korea, so you can download these. In fact, Met Edu Korean Art is abbreviated version of this long textbook. So that's easier for you to read. And then icebreaker, I'm sure that you completed it. So this is how your Blackboard is organized. You probably saw introduction video. And then introduction to East Asian art. This was recorded earlier today, and you can click the link, then it will go to a new tab, and it has my own lecture accompanied by the PowerPoint. And if you want to access all the individual files, you can download all of these. But I explained this inside this video. And then a lot of you already completed Find the Cities. This is activity for you to get familiar with geography, with geography of Asia. And then these bulletin board kind of icon. So these are discussions. So you cannot finish this right here. These are merely instructions. So for these activities, you have to go to discussions here and then submit yours. And then sample quiz, you probably took the sample quiz. In unit, the subsequent units, you always have like a quiz. This one is not graded, it's just for you to practice it, but other quiz is graded. Now, going to back to the content. So today I am going to talk about this unit 1. And unit 1, we are going to study period of Shang Dynasty, and then we are going to study Zhou, and then we are going to study the Han Dynasty as well. So here, Neolithic and Shang Dynasty. This is again the PowerPoint that you can download. I converted it into PDF so that it shows well on your mobile device as well. And then you are going to go to lecture 2, and here I'm going to explain Zhou dynasty, and then a warring period, and then unification of Qin, and then Han dynasty. And then these are more readings based on the content that we are studying in this unit. And then going back to the unit 1, this is your discussions. So I think I have to delete one of them. This is a discussion, and then this is for you to practice. I mean, I always embed some activities that you can do. And then I probably eliminate the math quiz this semester. And then this quiz 1 is for unit 1, and it is related to historical events that we studied here. So I will explain this in a moment. And then in 3 units, unit 1 and I think unit 4, you have a chronology quiz as well, just for you to test. So it shows the chronological dynastic names, and then you will order them, like which one is the first. So you will find the Shang dynasty, and then you will find the Zhou dynasty, right? Like, so there are examples. So that's the quiz. And then this is our slide test. So after you listen to today's lecture, and finish discussion and read other supplementary materials, and then took the quiz, then you save some time and work on slides. Usually there are 3 to 4 questions, sometimes even 2. And these are similar to traditional slide test. So you identify what the image is, and then you are going to answer the questions or write a description of it. And obviously most important aspect. So in this class, there is no midterm exam. You have the slide test in each unit. And then we have the final exam. Depending on how well you are doing, sometimes I eliminate the final exam. I mean, if we are pressured by time, or like abrupt changes. So, we will see this semester. So in your own student preview, you only see units 1 by 1. But this is instructor's view, so I already created everything. So there are due dates written right under the folder of each unit. So in unit 1, you click this arrow, then there is drop down. So historical overview is important. So I'm going to explain these changes in my own slide lecture, but this is basically easy summary of it. And obviously the Qinshi Huangdi's terracotta warrior, and then this funerary banner. These are the most important works that you must remember from this unit. So historical overview is very helpful. Before you do anything else, you always read this and then try to understand the basic development, and you can work on activities. Okay, and then if you go to the discussions, you already worked on the discussions, and then this is the important discussion. Unit 1, Chinese bronze vessels. Discussions are built around, again, most important topics of each unit. So you must complete these discussions. So all together, you will be graded based on these templates. So timely submission is important. In the beginning, I'm lenient, but later on, I will reinforce the due dates. And if you are significantly late, then you may not get the full score. And also in the discussion, you post your own, and then you must add a comment on other people. For example, here, Sophia introduced herself, right? And then she got some replies from other people. And then I'm sure Sophia herself probably made replies to Alexandra or Shangyu or other students. So this is what I want. So you submit your own post, but then you need to add 2 replies to other posts that you chose. Okay, so this way we are generating some conversations. In this case, Sophia said she's a textile development program major, and then she studied abroad. So other people are commenting on, like how it was like, and nice to meet you. Or sometimes you are from the same major, and you can say, yeah, I'm taking the styling class as well. That's kind of conversations that will happen in this discussion forums. And so this way, we somehow have a sense of community. For example, yeah, Alexandra did something, then Kejong commented on Alexandra's experience. So that is the discussions.